Hey guys, what's going on? Today's another video. And we're doing my he's not going to be shown though. Can you show them? And we picked out 21 random pieces out of this box. So that's like 40, that's 42. So let's start building it.
Hi, this is Cheryl.
So let's start off
Okay, I
with
just
this.
came in and looked at these things.
We're going to put in this
I
right
mean, it almost be
front
crazy
of
not to go down to 20
here.
years, right?
And then this in the back of it. Then this is going to go, oh no! And then this
Yeah.
diamond is going to go right in the middle of it. Like that. Then this piece
Yeah.
is going to go right
Oh, where is it?
there. And this,
Yeah,
and then
right
this,
here, yeah.
gray piece is going to go on top of the big blue piece. And you put this,
Right.
what's it called?
Yeah,
This
I know.
thing right there.
So now let me ask you this. Should I go with the 30 year and
You
just
put
pay
these
pay
so
$100
deep.
more a month?
On a little robot right there. Then you put this little lightsaber thing
Oh, okay.
right
So it almost looks like it's
on top of the diamond.
Something, right?
Right on top of the diamond. Then this blue piece,
Well, the monthly payment,
the right here on the other black side.
right, the
and
20 years would only be
then
like, right
you
now,
put this
my
black
whole
piece
mortgage
right
payment,
on
right
there,
now,
right there. And
is
this big great, this big
$2,064.35.
like sandish piece right there. We both got one of them right there. And it's a little
Yeah,
engine
I'll
for it,
tell you.
because I'm making a
Total
car right
monthly,
now, trying to.
432.
Then that right there,
For
doesn't it
taxes
look like a
and
car?
Insurance.
It's going to look like a flying car though. I'm
Right,
going to
so
put this green piece
Right,
right
so
on the
how much would
blue
that be?
somewhere.
Oh, okay. Yeah,
Right
so for $14
here
more
on the
dollars,
blue. Right here on the blue.
be
Right down the
into 20
blue.
years.
This piece right there.
Yeah. I mean,
And this piece right here.
But that's obviously, well, no money out, but like you said, you won't have
then
to
you
pay
put
your,
this black
First
round piece
you'll miss a month.
on the side.
Yeah.
The other side of it.
Yeah.
And you put this red
Okay.
piece right on top.
Right. So at that
Then
point,
this
it would be quite a bit.
Glass
Yeah.
piece
Right now, I only
this glass
have,
piece right on,
I don't know.
right there.
I don't think I have very much.
And this red piece
there, I don't know why.
right here.
Escrow balance is $193.28, but I'm going to pay $432. So yeah. Okay. So probably.
Oh no. Oh,
Yeah. Right.
is this?
And so I'm
And you have that
thinking
complete.
this kinda makes
Oh
sense.
yeah, and I forgot who
My
we're going to be
question
joined
to
by.
you is,
A new
Is
person
it smart
to
to
the
pay down
group.
your mortgage fast?
Spidey,
Okay.
the crowbar,
Everybody always says keep
And
the mortgage. I don't
monkey.
understand.
and last but
Doesn't make
certainly
sense.
not least, him there.
Yeah.
So, Spidey
Yeah, exactly.
With a
I mean,
trusty
I'm going to
hand,
anyways,
is
'cause,
gonna
you know, I'm
show
older,
you
but at
what
least
we
it's
have
rental property,
created.
so you don't feel quite as bad about it as if it was a single family home. Yeah, right. So, yeah.
I'm gonna help him build
A little bit.
it. Oh no.
No. Oh, 10. Probably. Yeah. When
That is it.
We use yours.
This is it.
Yo, the floor's wet in here.
This is it. Spin it around. Spidey.
Alright, I'm sorry.
Spin it around. So this is how fast.
Yeah,
Like that.
yeah. It's actually just between me and you a three family.
I'm going to put this with the other Lego birds that we have built.
Yeah. No, it's not a.
Oh yeah, by the way, let me to show you guys what we have built on the doggy. Oh,
The only problem is that it's
always
an old
break.
house. It's all been redone.
so this is
But
what
it
we
is
built
125
last
years
time. Very cool.
It's pretty old. I guess. I
This
don't
is
know.
what we
Maybe
built the
never
time
saw
before
time,
that.
but I
The
guess
first
you're
ever
right.
episode where Dancing Patrick.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
let's put them down back where they were.
So
Then
yeah,
this
let me think about this.
Go
Otherwise,
there.
I'd be saving $300 a month, and you know what? I really don't need to save.
Oh, so that was the video.
You know, it would be nice.
Of the Lego
but I don't have
building.
car payment right now.
We will see you in part
So it
number
would be
4.
nice